Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. I just wanted to go ahead and make this pistachio cake for you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for it forever. So I was like, I have a little bit of time this evening. It is December the 23rd, and I have a little bit of time this evening. So I told my husband, I need to record and make the cake for my subscribers because I know they've been waiting forever and ever and ever and ever. But we're gonna go ahead and get it done today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to become a subby friend and be a subscriber to this channel. I would appreciate it greatly. Also, go follow me on Instagram at All Things Burn, and I will follow you back. So with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna position the camera down to the ingredients in the bowl, and you probably won't see me anymore until after the cake is done. So I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, you all. So you're gonna need a bundt pan. I normally make mine in a bundt pan, but you could probably use 3 of the small cake pans, and if you want to do like a 3-layer cake, or you want to do a 2-layer cake, but I think it's best if you do it in a bundt pan. So I have my bundt cake pan right there. These are the things that you're going to need. I got this cake mix from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Pillsbury Traditional Vanilla. You can actually use any cake mix, but the cake mix needs to be a vanilla cake mix. And usually I get the one that says moist on here, but lately I've been getting the one from the Dollar Tree, and it's been coming out the same. So that, and you're gonna need pistachio jello instant pie filling. You're gonna need a box of that. You're gonna need 3 eggs, and I'll write all this stuff down as well. You're gonna need club soda, and you're going to need some either vegetable oil or canola oil. I've never tried it with olive oil. So we're gonna get started. You need a mixing bowl, of course, and a mixer. And I also have a spatula to scoop out like the rest of the cake mix. So I'll put the spatula over there. So let me open up the cake mix. How's everybody's day going? Sorry you guys can't actually see me, but you guys can hear my voice. So we're just gonna open up the cake mix. It's such an easy recipe, you guys. When I tell you, after you make this cake for your family and your friends, they're gonna want it all the time. Like, they're gonna want it all the time. So you use the whole cake mix box. Then you want to, this is very important, don't skip this step. Then you want to open up the pistachio jello pudding mix. So we're going to put that in there. Now, if you have a nut allergy, you might not want to serve this to yourself or to your family, because it has little small pieces of pistachio in here. So, but you want to just pour that into the cake mix. I'll put that over there to the side. And this is what it should look like once you have everything in there. And then you're going to mix the cake mix and the pudding mix together. This is very important to get an even color in your cake. That even green color in your cake. So I'm gonna just turn this way and stir, or should I say mix? I could do it over here too. I can mix it here. It's, when I tell you guys, this is so easy to make. A child could actually make this cake. It's a box cake, but it is a doctored up box cake, y'all. And it's so delicious. I mean, so delicious. Ooh, so good. Okay, so I think I have that mixed up pretty well in there. And so after that, you want to put in your 3 eggs. You need 3 eggs. So we're just going to put in 3 eggs. Try not to get any shells in there, you guys. I know sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard, but most of the times I don't ever get any shells. Every once in a blue moon. And 3. So you want to crack your 3 eggs and put that in there. So that's in there. So now we want a cup of vegetable oil. Want to get a whole cup of vegetable oil. I know, it seems like a lot of oil, but trust me when I tell you, it is the best cake ever. The best cake ever. And then you want a cup of club soda. So, want a cup of club soda. So I put a cup of club soda in here. I like to see it bubble up, y'all. I'd be like, ooh, look at it bubbling up. So, well, it didn't bubble up too much this time. Okay, so after that, all you want to do is just mix. Mix well. Mix well. Want to mix well. And I'll show you in a second. It starts to turn green. It starts to turn green in there. As you can see, it's starting to turn green. So you want to mix it really, really well. Like mix, 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 mix. I'll come back when it's all mixed. Okay, so the consistency should be like this, like thick, because it's the pudding mix that's inside that's making it a little bit thicker. So you want to have that consistency. And as you see, I'll put up a little closer, you can see the little pistachio peanuts that's inside of the pudding mix that's inside of the cake. So like I said, if you have a nut allergy, then you probably can't eat this cake, but they're so small. So we got it all mixed up, and I've already sprayed the bundt cake pan. I'm just tapping out most of the put that inside. Tapping out most of the cake mix. So this is where I come in with the spatula, because I'm going to put the cake mix in the bundt pan. Like I said, I've already sprayed it. So we want to get it all in there, and it usually just comes rolling out, y'all, like that. It just comes rolling out. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Now see, sometimes you get down to the bottom and you see that you haven't got all that cake mix. So that's where this comes in to like mix it again. And if you have a mixer, electric mixer, that's fine too. I just like to use my hands. So we'll put the rest of this in here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Now it's going to take about I think I have to check the box again. I want to say 43 minutes to cook. And sometimes I put an icing and sometimes I don't. I won't be putting an icing on today, but I will give you a recipe for a homemade icing that I normally use. And that's why I like this spatula, because you can just go around the edges and get everything out. Sorry for the loud tapping, you guys, but I'm trying to get it all off. And so then I usually shake my pan like this to get it all even up in there, but that's how it looks on the inside. Oh, but y'all wait till it comes out. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. This is an old pan, you guys. Don't even worry about that part right there. That's not gonna be on your, that won't be on my cake, trust. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then I'm gonna take care of these dishes and all this other stuff. And then once this gets done, I will come back, I will show you, we will cut a piece, I will eat it for you on camera, and that's all there is to this pistachio cake. So see you in a few. So you guys, the cake is done. I just took it out the oven, and this is what it's going to look like when you take it out the oven. So I have to let it cool a little bit, then we'll cut it and I'll eat it for you. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'll be right back. So you all, the cake has cooled and I've already flipped it over. And so it came out really, really nice. I'm gonna just, sorry for that noise. I'm just put that in the sink. And it came out so nice, y'all. Oh my gosh. It came out so nice, you guys. I need to just take a picture of this, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, look at the greenness on the inside. Oh my gosh. When I tell y'all, y'all are gonna love this cake, y'all are gonna love this cake. Let me slice it and get a good taste. And yeah, this is so easy to make. I'm sorry you can't actually see my face, but this is so easy to make. I hope everyone in your family loves it. Share it with your friends, your family, your co-workers, just everybody. So I'm gonna slice a small piece. Oh my gosh. Oh, because I'm gonna give half of this cake to my husband's co-worker, and then the other half, I'm going to, let me take this one piece out. Oh, it's still very, very warm. So, oh my gosh. So I only did like a small piece. So I wanted to show you guys. That is what it looks like. When I tell you this cake is amazing, this cake is amazing, y'all. It is so moist. And it's not that sweet. It's just perfect. It is just perfect. Oh my gosh. Get you a cup of coffee or some water. So good. So I'm gonna put that right there. I'll be right back. So you all, that is the pistachio cake in a nutshell. Oh my gosh, so delicious. You can see the greenness on the inside as well. The most easiest box cake that has been doctored up to taste absolutely amazing, you guys. I just tasted it for you all. Woo. Oh my goodness. Now, I will put the icing recipe in the description box below. So make sure you check that. Make sure you check that. That was like a piece of skin from the pistachio nut that was in the cake. So, but you guys, I thought I brought me a drink over here, but I don't see it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Y'all, my hair is a mess. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Time to go to bed. No, not really, because I stay up late. But I had to do this cake for you guys like quick, fast, and in a hurry. I wanted to make sure I got it done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Go be kind to someone. Continue to live your best blessed life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. Love y'all, but God loves you best. Follow the directions of the baking. In the bundt cake, it says 39 to 43 minutes. So if you just follow the directions on the back of the box of your cake mix, that's how long you bake your cake for whatever pot that you use. But I like using the bundt cake. So you guys enjoy. If you guys make this cake, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you tried it. How did it come out? I hope it comes out amazing for you guys. So bye, you guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.